Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Anybody else? Oh my God.
What you doing? That lane, you idiot!
Oh, man. Yeah, Diaz there.
Yeah.
Whereas that guy did before he found out he'd been slurping his soup. This is awfully salty.
I was at least 15 when I can tell you when that whole like stay up all night on the phone thing was, and it was after I'd had the phone for a couple of years at that point. No, if we did, I'm being very. You never sexed on the phone before?
Oh, now you put a turn signal, you fucking asshole.
Stay up all night on the phone, you expect too much out of it. Of course, how it works. First, you need an email address to store your trump cards. Then you purchase.
Got it.
And then you receive the.
Oh my God, it's for the idiots.
Turn left on South Road.
What are you doing? Nice insurance scam, buddy.
That's 800-437-0109. This update brought to you by the Village at Northbridge and
Unbelievable. Torrance, okay. It's better you found him before I did.
Unos fucking trucks aquí.
Le dejan abierto, Marco. Pa' acá. ¡Ay! ¡Hijo de su puta madre!
Ese lo cargó la cámara.
A ver, dale para acá, Maquito. O para allá.
Ese lo cargó la cámara.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.